report and all the details?
Like I said, in fact, when we actually had done the inquest, we saw that there were sharp wounds on the head, and autopsy report from migrants has indicated that there were two sharp cuts on the head, one from behind and one from in front. Yeah.
And it
Sir,
matches
is this three guys,
These are
Akash and
sharp
Anand,
cuts.
are the one who came to Shillong?
Yes, Akash, Anand, and Vishal Singh Chauhan. They came to Shillong.
Sir, can we say that Sonam is the prime accused right now?
You can see she's the one of the prime accused. Others are co-accused. I mean, the others are assailants. They committed the murder, but the planning and involvement is you cannot rule out Sonam Raghuvanshi.